Unlocking, additionally, enhance your English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English word that can power up your sentences, additionally. Whether you're writing or speaking, mastering this word can add clarity and depth to your communication. Let's dive in. Additionally is an adverb that we use when we want to add information that complements what was previously mentioned. It's like saying, also, or, as well, but it often introduces information that is not just extra but also important. You can use additionally in both written and spoken English. It's perfect for essays, formal emails, or presentations when you're listing points or arguments. For example, the city is beautiful. Additionally, it has a vibrant cultural scene. Let's see how additionally works in various sentences. To introduce a point, I love playing the piano. Additionally, I enjoy composing music. To add an argument, this policy will reduce costs. Additionally, it will improve efficiency. A common mistake is using additionally too much or when it's not necessary. It should only be used when you're truly adding significant information. Let's practice. Try to create sentences using additionally and share them in the comments below. I'll give feedback to help you improve. That's all for additionally. I hope you now feel more confident using this word to enhance your English. Don't forget to practice, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!